Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of C programming language. Today we are going to discuss about a function that is used to take input from the user. The name of the function is scanf that is present in the studio.h library. Okay, so we are going to calculate simple interest for which we need some values of principal, time and rate, which we will take as an input from the user. Okay, so first of all we define some variables so that we can store the values that user is going to give us as input. Okay, so principal and time are in type, and in the float we will keep rate and simple interest. Okay, now we are needed to tell the user to enter values. Okay, so by using printf we will tell the user to enter the values of principal, time and rate. Enter the values of principal, rate and time. Okay, now first of all we are going to take the value of principal. So principal equals to it will just print the principal and equal to sign. Okay, now to take the input from the user we will use a scanf. Okay, so scanf, and as our principal is of int type, so we are going to use modulus specifier and d to take an integer value. Okay, and now we put ampersand, which is known as address operator. This is an address operator if we use it in a scanf. Okay, so this is the address operator where our variable will be stored. Address operator means it will show the address of the variable principal. Okay, so here we took the value of principal from the user. Similarly we will take the value of rate from the user. Rate equals to, and in a scanf the data type is of float type, so we will use float means f and use the ampersand again, which is the address operator, and rate to store the value of rate. Now again printf. Now we are going to take the value of time, so print time equals to, and take the value. Time is of integer type, so d, and address operator and time is the variable. Now we have taken the input from the user. Now we are needed to calculate SI. So SI equals to, we have the formula of SI is principal into rate into time and is divided by 100. Right, we have studied this formula in math. Now we have calculated the value of SI. Now we are needed to print the value of SI so that the user could know that SI is printed, is calculated, and thus we are going to print the value of SI. So your simple interest equals to, simple interest is of float type, so we are going to use float, and simply write here the variable si. Okay, now compile the program. There are two errors in 14 because we have not closed the double inverted comma. Now I hope it will give a success. Yeah, now run the program. Enter the values of principal, rate and time. Principal equals to, let's principal is 1000. Now rate is 2.3, time is of 2 years, your simple interest is 46.0000. Okay, so this is how our simple interest is getting calculated with the help of user's input. Okay, so this is how we use scanf to take input from the user. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next tutorial.